this design is going to be a non-scary blue tarantula. So this is an alternative for those little boys whose parents want something on them but might be a little bit afraid of a black widow looking spider. So, and I actually looked it up. There are blue tarantulas. So I'm going to use Iceland, my go-to blue cake. Okay. The first thing we're going to add is kind of a V shape. Like this. That's going to be kind of their bottom. And then I'm going to put a petal right here, and that's going to be the head of the spider. And then you want to make sure your paint's wet for this part, because most of this is going to be tamped out now, because it gives a nice fuzzy look, especially on the skin. It's not going as fuzzy here, but on the skin it's nice and fuzzy. Now we're going to tamp out some little legs. And see how it gives the joints to the legs too. And if you have to for a little boy, you can use the 1/2 inch brush. It will do the same thing. It's one of the things I love about one stroke. So a little bit more than a minute on that. And if you want to, the blue tarantula has some white markings, so we're going to add those in there. And you could add a web too while you've got your white loaded, but I'm just going to do the markings for now. So the markings are really easy. They're just like 3 little ovals. And then we'll put some eyes in there, and then just kind of a little dot on each of the joints. And there's your blue tarantula. So 1 minute and 53 seconds.